The data is clear: buying a business has a significantly higher success rate than starting one. But buying a business isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Depending on your capital, your time, and how much control you want, you need to choose the right acquisition model. In 2026, there are 5 distinct paths to becoming an acquisition entrepreneur. Today, I'm breaking down each one so you can stop guessing and start your journey toward true ownership with the model that fits your life. 1. The traditional search fund. This is the most academic route. You raise a small pool of capital from investors to fund a 2-year search. They pay your salary while you hunt, and in exchange, they get the first right to fund the final deal. You get a significant equity stake for running the company. 2. The self-funded model, the DIY approach. You use your own savings to search and buy. It's higher personal risk, but you keep 100% of the equity and 100% of the control. This is for the operator who doesn't want to answer to a board of directors. 3. The sponsored search fund. This is like the traditional model, but with a single big brother investor or firm. They provide the capital and the infrastructure, but they often take a larger share of the equity and have more say in the final decision. 4. The crowdfunded acquisition, a newer model for 2026. You raise capital from a large group of smaller investors through online platforms. This allows you to stay independent from big private equity firms while still accessing the cash you need to close a deal. 5. The accelerated or incubated model. Think of this as a search fund boot camp. You join an incubator that provides a stipend, office space, and a peer network. It speeds up the learning curve and gives you immediate access to a vetted list of lenders and investors. Choosing a model is about balancing risk, capital, and control. At Hijacking, we specialize in helping investors navigate the self-funded and accelerated paths. We believe that for most high-performing professionals, the goal isn't just to have a job as a CEO. It's to own a scalable asset that doesn't require 80 hours a week of your time. Our management team provides the acceleration you need to vet, buy, and scale without giving up your life or your equity. Ready to pick your path? Let's build your acquisition roadmap today.